Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon.
Can't hear.
I'm Havovi speaking. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, Bobby.
Good afternoon. Nice to see you all.
Good afternoon, Havovi.
Good
Nice to
afternoon.
see you all. लगा है।
Hello, Kashmira.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
So we will just wait for a
Can't
few
hear.
minutes in that, and then I said we will wait for a few minutes till everybody come, and then hello Sudha ma'am, how are you? Hello, you all can't hear me?
Yes, yes, you're
Purobi?
audible.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, yes, we can hear. Hi, Purobi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
How come all of you are in black? Gauri in black, you in black,
I'm in navy
Shirin
blue.
in black, Sudha in black,
I'm in navy blue.
and I think Rani
Hi.
is also in black.
Hi,
Yeah, black and white.
Sheila. How are you?
Tila and I are in blue.
Yeah. And even
Hi.
Havoc is there.
Hi, I'm in navy blue.
I'm in olive green. Yeah.
Swaran, please get your video up. You are the guest of honor. Get your video up.
She's the chief guest only.
Chief guest.
Wow, looking very smart.
Hello, Pavin.
Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Nice to see all of you ladies.
Hi.
Hi, Pavin.
These small meetings, at least we can meet and try and spend some time together.
Very
It
true.
makes a difference in this atmosphere at the moment.
Good to see all lively faces, no?
Yes, yes.
Rani is from Dubai, and she is our VSSS president in Dubai.
Okay. Welcome.
So I have invited some other women also from other organizations.
Good, good.
We are all WGU. Most of us are from the WGU trustees and managing committee members. We have invited
Okay.
some professors and students also. So we
Okay.
hope they will come.
Yeah.
You get
I'm
Swaran
seeing
first
first time.
on
Swaran
video.
is come. Swaran is come.
She's
Swaran
there,
ma'am,
but
are
she's
you
neither
there?
on audio nor on video.
Swaran ma'am, you have to
I think you
on
better
your
speak to her.
audio. Okay, I will tell Akansha.
She can't hear you.
I'll tell Akansha to talk.
Yeah.
Not a pangko. Sorry, louder.
Kashmir is also in black. What is this here? Black group?
Akansha,
Black and white.
ते स्वरण कोहलीला फोन करून सांगा की त्यांचा फोटो दिसत नाही, त्यांचा आवाज येत नाही.
मी आता फोन केला तर मला म्हणाले की मी जॉईन झाले
जॉईन झाले पण तुझं सांग कॅमेरा ऑन करायला आणि ऑडिओ.
ओके
हाय अर्चना, हाऊ आर यू?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine. Is Amrita going to join you?
What
Yes, Swaran.
is Amrita and
Zoom is not coming on what?
who is Amrita and who are these ladies?
Are you on iPad?
This is Archana.
Is she a-
Archana, Kashmira, we have invited many ladies so that at least we have some gathering, that is why.
they are from outside, not WGU?
Yeah, besides outside also, we have invited some guests. We have some surprises for you all.
Okay, good. Yeah. I'm coming.
So we'll wait for another 1 or 2
No,
minutes.
no,
and
we
then
have to
we'll
wait
start.
for Swaran to come. She's trying to get in. 1 minute.
Okay.
She's having a problem. So let's just
Okay,
give her the
okay,
few
okay.
minutes to get in.
Sure.
Hi, Dino.
How is Dolly? What's news of Dolly?
Dolly is not good, yeah.
Yeah. Hi, hi. Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Hi.
Khorshid.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Anji,
Hello.
Why are not being able to get another view? But this is okay.
have you got to the mail which Kaustubh has sent on the link?
Which mail?
नहीं, आपके नोट से आप लिंक को क्लिक नहीं कर पाएंगे ना. आपको लिंक को क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. He has sent it on your Swaran Fakir email ID.
अरे please keep mute. Purobi mute रखो. Hello, Merlin. How are you? Why don't all of you all open your cameras and come?
Akanksha. 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 Kaustubh.
You can't shout and they can hear.
Kaustubh.
Shout.
Hello.
Kaustubh, just get Swaran Kohli online and she's not able to get through to your Zoom link. Just
Akash
check.
is trying to call her, ma'am.
She's not
Just
picking
check.
up the phone.
Yes, ma'am.
She's picking up the call. She's calling me yaar, again and again. Just try.
Yes.
But they wrote very clearly in the paper that below they won't give anybody now.
There's a lot of shortage of vaccine at the moment. Somebody wrote on our group saying that all the hospitals, especially in South Mumbai, Pasi General, Breach Candy, Nanavati, not Nanavati, but Tadeo Bhatia, and one more, they don't have vaccine. And all these 4 hospitals in Mumbai, Hinduja, I think. All 4, Reliance, not Hinduja, sorry, Reliance.
And even medicines also are not available in some hospitals.
Bombay
And,
situation is very
For the
scary. Very
private
scary.
hospital.
Very scary. And secondly, somebody sent a video to me yesterday that some injection, I don't know the name of the injection now, I don't remember, but injection had expired in the month of December. And the new sticker was stuck on that injection box and started selling it. Just see what's happening. COVID, this injection was for COVID. It's so scary.
Swaran coming, what happened? Nobody in a house to help her, to Swaran, her children or somebody, or her staff, somebody.
Now we are understood. That's done and gone.
Yes, Swaran ma'am is come. Swaran ma'am is come. Hello, Swaran ma'am. How are you? Can you hear us, ma'am? Swaran ma'am, can you hear me?
Switch on your audio. Switch on your audio.
Hello,
Switch on your
Swaran ma'am.
audio. Audio.
Hello, have you unmuted, Swaran ma'am? She is on computer, I think.
She's on her iPad.
iPad, actually.
But अभी तो लगता है iPhone पे. Let's see. She had both of
It's
them on.
iPhone.
Until now it's
iPhone.
on her iPhone.
You tell her on the right side on top, she has to
No,
click.
she knows, yeah. No, she's got a new phone right now.
Okay.
I can't call her because if I call her, then she'll get disturbed.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear us? Swaran, ma'am, can you hear us?
The audio is not on.
So what do we do? It's 10 minutes now. Yeah, she's come again. Hello, ma'am. So anyway, you be there. At least you are there. We can see you.
Can you hear us? Get the audio on.
Hello. Sarun ma'am, unmute. Yeah. Hello. Say hello, ma'am. Struggling.
Get your audio on.
Ma'am, on the top right hand side, you touch.
No,
on
I
your
don't
phone,
think it's a
the
muting.
audio.
It's not a mute problem. Join your computer or your phone audio. Join your phone audio.
Unmute, ma'am. Unmute. Then only you can talk.
अरे
Please
mute तो
unmute.
तभी होगा जब ऑडियो कनेक्टेड है. ऑडियो कनेक्टेड नहीं है.
ऑडियो तो वही ऊपर टच करने को बोल
नहीं
ना
नहीं
राइट साइड में.
First you have to connect the audio. It's not corrected yet.
Madam, please unmute at least. Yeah, I think we can hear you. Please unmute at least.
Where is she?
Swaran ma'am, please unmute. Kaustubh, can you unmute her? Yes,
There
yes.
she's come. Yeah.
Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Can we hear?
What
Yes,
has
yes,
happened?
fine. Yes, now you're fine. Just relax. You're fine now. Wonderful. So we will start we will all start the program now.
I can't see you all, of course.
No problem, but we can hear you. We can see you. We can see you. No problem.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, we will
Great.
start
Sorry.
the program, madam.
Sorry,
No problem. No,
thousand
it's all right.
apologies. Okay.
No problem, madam. Okay.
Akansha,
So everybody, meanwhile, you all can unmute. Swaran ma'am, you please don't unmute. It's okay. Others can unmute. So today, as you all know, we have gathered here for the launch of the annual e-newsletter of Women's Graduate Union, University Women, which normally we have every month, but due to the pandemic, we couldn't have it, and that is why I decided to have an annual newsletter, because even during the pandemic, so much of good work is done by our committee chairperson and the committee members. So we wanted to showcase the same, and therefore today we have invited you all. I, on this particular day, on this wonderful occasion, extend my very warm and cordial welcome to all of you, especially to our chief guest today, Swaran ma'am, Swaran Kohli ma'am. I welcome you. We have Archana Jaisingh here, who's going to recite a poem. We welcome Archana. We also welcome all our seniors like Sudha ma'am and all other managing committee members. We have our trustees, Havovi Gandhi, Sheila Shastri, and all others. We have Purobi, we have our managing committee members. So many of them, all of them are there. Our past committee members, present committee members, a big gathering. We have students from Manikben Nanavati College. We have our Rani Mirchandani from Dubai. We have a lot of other friends also, our well-wishers. So a warm welcome to all of you for having come here today. So let us go ahead with the program. Now I will invite a very good friend of ours, my niece and advocate Archana Jaisingh, who has written a book during this time, and especially she has written on self-quarantine. So I would like to recite, and this newsletter we are dedicating to all the frontline workers of coronavirus, whoever the COVID-19 frontline workers, and also we are dedicating this newsletter to our beloved late Tanas Tarapur, who has dedicated many years as a trustee and past president of Women Graduate Union. So to our young advocate and poet Archana Jaisingh, I invite you to please recite the poem.
So much. Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Firstly, congratulations and all the best for the launch of the e-magazine. Thank you for inviting me here. I'm deeply honored. So we all thought that the worst is behind us, and we actually wrote this poem last year during the Janta curfew. But the irony is we find ourselves in a similar situation once again, where lockdown has been imposed in Mumbai. So I think this is once again relevant to all of us to, be safe and take precautions and, take care of everyone around us. So I'll just recite the poem. It's called Self-Quarantine. You don't quarantine despite pandemic being declared. You think it's no big deal that people are unnecessarily scared. Soon you get infected and transmitted to the community. While cases multiply rapidly, surviving is based on immunity. Then legal measures are taken, even curfew is imposed. The economy takes a hit, all doors remain closed. It is uncertain when things will get normalized. You helplessly wait, feel remorseful and agonized. You underestimated the gravity of the situation. Now distressed, you face hardships in prolonged isolation. Why not quarantine yourself and serve humanity, minimizing the adverse effects, expressing solidarity? The impact of one wrong step can extend worldwide. Will you isolate yourself or still venture outside? To self quarantine is a choice to make. Choose wisely, as everyone's joy is at stake. As this is dedicated to the corona warriors, we all may not be able to go outside and serve like they are, be it doctors, be it the BMC workers, be it the police, but the least we can do is stay at home and be more careful to avoid the spread and break the chain so that all of us can come out of this safe and as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. Very nice of you. Would you like to tell something on the book you have written? Would you like to talk something on the book which you have released and written? Joy.
My sister and I have co-written a book called Absolute Joy, where we are seeking inspiration from nature and learning to live a happier life. It's a book of 45 poems that we published last year. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. Very nice of you to come here and recite your poem. So now we go ahead with the main program of the launch of our University Women, our annual newsletter. And we have our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Swaran Kohli, who is so dedicated, so wonderful woman, very gracious, and she has been a pioneer, a stalwart of our Women Graduate Union. As you all know, is an old organization. So she has been dedicating so many years for this wonderful organization, the organization. So we welcome Swaran Kohli ji, who works lots for the community, whether it is environmental law or whether for the women's empowerment or whether it is for the consumer. So she is attached to many more organizations besides Women Graduate Union. I really salute her for the work she has done, and I invite her to please come and virtually launch our newsletter, annual newsletter. So Mrs. Swaran Kohli, now virtually with your worthy hands, we are going to launch the video of the newsletter. So over to you, Kastub, for the launch. A big hand, everybody, please.
I don't know if I can be heard.
No, you will get a chance to talk. We will.
Okay, if I can be heard, I'll just say.
Yes,
yeah.
you can be heard.
म्युझिक येत नाही, कस्तूब म्युझिक येत नाही त्याच्याबरोबर का? Thank you, Kastub. So this was an official launch which we have done, and as it has been virtually inaugurated by the worthy hands of Mrs. Swaran Kohli, so I request her to please inspire us with her words of wisdom to all of us. Over to Mrs. Swaran Kohli.
Thanks a lot. I want to share the importance we've had over the years since we started the newsletter. The newsletter has a long history of keeping in touch with each one of us, as well as with other organizations, all the UVAs, the IFWA, etc. So we must keep the newsletter going. That's very, very essential. That's my request. And we learn so much from each other through the newsletter. Need to introduce some more interesting features to the newsletter so that it's not just telling us what WGU is doing. So if we could have in each newsletter one article which is of relevance of other subjects, and also from maybe from some international or another body. That's my suggestion. I know Gauri must be planning a number of things for the newsletter. Also, I don't know whether we are sending complimentary copies of our newsletter to other NGOs. I'm not talking about our UAs. Other NGOs who may be
Yes,
interested.
yes. Yes, it will go globally everywhere.
I'm not talking only about the University Women Associations. I'm talking about others also who should know about the work of the women graduates of the University Women's Association. It may be a little strain on the finances, but I think it's worth looking into it.
So this is an e-newsletter, so it will go everywhere.
Okay. Another request, can we make the newsletter a little more appealing with a little color and some caricatures? And you have, of course, a lot of experts to do some loud thinking on how we can change the looks of the newsletter. I'm very grateful to you for having invited me and not forgetting me in spite of my old age. Thanks.
Big hand to ma'am. And congratulations to all our women. So now we will see the newsletter a little bit more, because last time what we saw was just a launch. So Kastub, can you show us the newsletter little slowly, so that as ma'am, we have taken in mind all your suggestions, and definitely we will keep everything in mind. This time we have put an article of our beloved Tanas Tarapur. She had interviewed her article in one of my books. So we have put an article, and we have also put the poetry also of Archana Jai Singh and Amrita Jai Singh.
Good.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please start, Kastub, the newsletter. And go it slow so that I can talk about it. So this is the newsletter, University Women, and we have a big salute to Corona Warriors, because the first thing we have started with Corona Warriors. So go ahead, please. Thoda varti ge, Kastub. Then there is my message. Ajun varti ge. Please move a little bit ahead. Second page, let's go to second page. After my message, second page, please. Go. This is our entire committee, the names of all our committee members. Go ahead, please. These are our trustees. Recently, we have appointed new trustees. Mrs. Havovi Gandhi, she is a coordinating trustee. I congratulate her. We already have Nandita and Sheila. Nilima and Kashmira also are newly appointed, so I congratulate them also. I congratulate Dr. Ranjana Banerjee, our president of IFUA and UA Asia, and the details of hers are also written. Little bit ahead, please. Go ahead. Then we have our Purobi ma'am. As you know, our Purobi Ghosh Mohan is doing great work for IFUA Central Committee member, and she's a chairperson and newsletter and website of IFUA IFUA, member of UA Asia. She is also now a member of UA Asia. Many of our members have also earlier worked, and chairperson also for our consumer and civic affairs. So I congratulate Purobi also, and we are proud of you, Purobi. Little bit ahead, please. Can we go ahead? Welcome. Let us go a little bit ahead. Acha, now this is regarding, we started last year. Last year, as we saw that Corona was coming in, and people were very much in fear and panic, but they never knew what to do and what not to do. So just before the lockdown, on the 13th of March, our counseling and guidance center, where I happened to be a chairperson, jointly along with All Star Digital, Lions Club, and along with Vishwa Sindhi Seva Sangam, we had a press conference, and we had Professor Girdhar Lutheria, who did a lot of great work on art of self-healing, Ayurveda, and how to boost immunity. All what we knew is that we should have good immunity. There is no other cure. That time we were not sure about the cure. So these are our photos of, go ahead please. These are our photos. Still ahead, 1 minute, wait here. These are the handbills which we have launched that time. Our Loretta is also there along with us. We have a Pamela also, our social worker. And these handbills, more than 25,000 all over for Mumbaikars, physically as well as on social media, we immediately distributed in the slums and everywhere. Please go ahead. Next page. So we extend our condolence. In fact, 1 minute of silence we will keep for our late Tanas Tarapur and also our Chiku from our. So 1 minute of silence, please. All of you all just will pray for her. Thank you, everybody. I will just read. Late Mrs. Tanas Tarapur, 15/11/2020. It was with shock and sadness that we learned of the passing away of our beloved Tanas Tarapur. Tanas' demise has left void in WGU, which will be difficult to fill. Tanas was one of the first women chartered accountants in Mumbai, and with the keeping an eye on WGU accounts, we knew was all was well. And as a trustee for 10 years, she ensured the prudent use of funds. Much of the credit goes to Tanas for the investments which she laid to the organization, having a strong balance sheet. Please go ahead little bit. 1 minute. Tanas had a share of serious illness, but not once did we hear her complain or even refer to her problem. Of a friendly, helpful, and cheerful, she earned the admiration and affection of all those who knew her. May her soul rest in eternal peace. So we really are so sad, and this happened, but we used to be in touch with her during lockdown. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. This is late Mr. Anthony Dias Chiku, who also was in our mess doing a lot of work for so many years. He was very young and he left us, so we pray for him also. 1 minute here. Now, as you all know, everybody had no job, no work, and as we are having Balwadi and Study Center, they are all from slums which these people come. So we thought of doing something for them. So we arranged the Diwali Happiness Kit distribution project. And I must really thank Havovi Gandhi and also to our chairman of Study Center. So both the chairpersons have done really great work, and I helped them a little bit in the coordination. And we, along with Mukul Madhav Foundation, we are thankful to founder of Mukul Madhav Foundation, Mrs. Ritu Chabria, worth of 2 lakhs of products, groceries and hygienic kits, what she gave us. And we had a flag off through our CM Shri Uddhav Thackeray ji, where I happened to be present during the distribution, and more than 300 people and 75 families were benefited. Thoda puda gere. So we are really grateful to our chairpersons of Study Center and Balwadi. And these are all the photographs. Mukul Madhav Foundation has given me also a gratitude letter, which is there in the news. And this is a photo with Uddhav Thackeray ji. And these are all a distribution, which I must thank all the teachers and staff who helped us in the distribution. Please go ahead. This is the next page. WGU Scholarship Program. As you all know, WGU is very famous for the scholarship. And the scholarship, as you all know, this time they did great work of scholarship, and we have distributed for the last years, earlier years, whichever student got scholarship. This year also, we gave the scholarships, and we are grateful to the chairperson, Usha Bhandarkar, for doing the needful. These are the photographs while we are giving them the checks. More than around 10 lakhs we have done the program for scholarship. Please go ahead. This is a vote of thank our scholars have given. When they have received, they have also sent us some thank yous and gratitude to WGU. They were really touched and in tears that they could get some contribution. So this is what we have given about them. Please go ahead. This is regarding the second CC meeting which we had of IFUA and which I attended, and also Purobi also attended. Please go ahead. Then now the computer center also had a wonderful program, and I must congratulate Mrs. Mahajan for taking this particular course for our WGU students and for others, and for doing a wonderful help for us, for arranging Zoom meetings and all other virtual meetings. So Mrs. Mahajan, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And now we have, these are the online courses what we are still having. Now we are having two announcements for us. Our managing committee will be held on 20th April, and our annual general meeting, I invite you all, which is on the 23rd April at 11 a.m. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Let's go ahead, please. We have an announcement also, another. Tham, zara khalti hai. Please, little bit down. Then we are having this session which is arranged by Consumer and Civic Affairs Committee, presents Chairman Purobi Ghosh. So we are looking forward tomorrow for this wonderful session which she has taken a lot of efforts, and I'm sure, I wish you all the best. It will go a great success. Many of us are going to share our experiences of lockdown. So please, all of you all remain present tomorrow at 5 p.m. on this virtual platform. Please go ahead. We celebrated the International Women's Day. We had a twinning program with Manikben Nanavati College, and I was invited as a chief guest, and all our other members, and some of them were all on Zoom. A lot of students were on Zoom. They were entertainment program as well. There were talks also by some of us. Some of the photographs are also there. So we continue with women empowerment and sharing our experiences. This is the invitation and the photographs. Please go ahead. We had some renowned dancers who had come. This is the article of Tanas Tarapur in the book Challenges in the Time of Lockdown, which I wrote during this time, and she has given an interview. So we have put it this time as we are dedicating this newsletter to her. Please go ahead. Just go till the last. I'm going to read the last paragraph, which she has specially written for social workers. So there are a lot of questions and answers. I'm sure you all will read, you all will enjoy it. But specifically what she has written in the last of her social workers. 1 minute. Acha, in one line, can you give your takeaway to our readers? So what she has written to our readers. Zara varti ke. Zara varti. Kastub, please take little high. Wait. Please, I'm just reading what she has specifically written. Lockdown is essential for public safety. My NGO friends, we are all together in doing a never-ending, thankless, but self-satisfying, wonderful and great job with devotion, dignity, love, integrity and patience, with due precaution for safety and self-beneficiaries and staff for humanity against all odds. In these critical, difficult times, we will make a dent and achieve success. So these are the great thoughts of our late member, our trustee, President Tanas Tarapur. I salute her for the great work she did to a number of organizations, including WGU, and we really miss her. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, please. This is a self, little down, little down, little down, little down, little down. 1 minute. This is the poetry which Archana read, but we have put it here also. She has written Self-Quarantine by Amrita Jaisingh and Archana Jaisingh. Usually both the sisters come and recite together, but she is working today, her sister, so she had not come. So congratulations to them also. Little bit. Azun jara varti ge. Then we are having pictures, glances of pictures of WGU during times of pandemic. So even though there is pandemic, but our staff is working, and somehow I happened to go a couple of times, and our coordinating trustee Havovi Gandhi also went to motivate them and to take care of the auditors and accounts and other things. So some of our photographs are there. Below are glances of pictures of at WGU during the time of pandemic. So these are, as we are right now on Zoom, some of our photographs when we have a managing committee meeting and other programs. So some photographs we have put. Lastly, we thank WGU, extend sincere gratitude to all the donors for their generous donation and contribution. Zara varti ge. Acha, besides this, we have still missed some portions which we are going to come in the next time. We are going to put like a hostel committee. A hostel committee was open throughout the entire lockdown period. There were more than about 50-60% of occupancy, and they've done a lot of hard work. So that this time we have missed putting here. So my apology for that. But the hostel committee is very important committee. And somehow, I don't know, my staff did not get their report. But then the hostel committee is very important. And even till today, we are having 70 to 80% occupancy of our working hostel women. And it runs very smoothly. And a lot of great work has been done by our staff who are working there. So friends, this is what little bit I thought we should at least show the people and our members that WGU is alive, even in particular. In fact, they are working more. In fact, I feel that our members are working more because physically you don't have to come. So even just being in their house also, they are doing great work. And I wish you all the best. And I want more and more that you all should come out and join WGU and get more members also. Thank you. Now you can close it and we can go ahead with the agenda. Do we have Simran, please, here? Do we have Simran here? Achha. Okay. We are having Rani Mirchandani from Dubai. Would you like to say anything, Rani? Rani, आपको कुछ बोलना है हम लोग को?
हाँ, मुझे मिलके आपसे बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और congratulations to all of you and keep doing that and keep it up. Thank you.
Before we end, we are going to have an open session. If anybody wants to say anything, please, you all can say it before we conclude it. Sudha ma'am, would you like to say something? You can unmute and please say.
I am very happy that you could bring out this newsletter because otherwise everybody thought that WGU is not working in this 1 year of pandemic.
Correct.
So, thank you. It was good. Huh?
Thank you.
May I say something, Gauri?
Yeah,
please. I want to put on record the work done by our office staff during this pandemic, especially Akanksha Kadam, lady who has always traveled even in the buses and train in order to see to it that our office keeps on working smoothly. Even our peon Deepak, he works every day. He comes to the office and he was a great help to us. And of course, our new accountant, Mr. Driver, and Mr. Kausub, who has taken up the session of this computer for our senior members. I would request him to once again come up with a similar sort of sessions for our members as well as for non-members. So that will at least keep us going. Our minds will be occupied, most important. our minds will be occupied and we will be one-to-one again, although not physically, but virtually. So I must thank our members, especially our staff. I must thank all of them. Thank you.
Anybody else? Kashmira, would you like to say something?
I only want to say congratulations. because That was a job well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Dinia ji, would you like to say something? Dinu Vasiania. Please unmute. Please unmute. Rajeshri ma'am, would you like to speak something? Principal Rajeshri ma'am. We have Principal Rajeshri ma'am. Can you hear me, Principal Rajeshri ma'am? She has got COVID actually. Very sad. Anybody else would like to say something?
Yeah, Gauri, I would like to say something.
Yeah, please say, please say, please say.
This is Purabhi
Welcome.
Ghosh here, friends.
Yeah,
Gauri,
yeah.
I was very happy with the starting of the newsletter. It's a very, very
Okay.
good start. So hopefully you will keep it alive over your tenure. Friends, we
Okay.
have one program tomorrow which Gauri has mentioned, which is at 5 o'clock tomorrow on Zoom. The link has been sent to all of you. This is basically, we're going to share our experiences during lockdown, and everybody is going to get 5 to 7 minutes just to share and tell each of us what you did during your lockdown in terms of learning something new, some creative passion, some bonding with people, or anything out of the box that you did. So we are going to spend about an hour together discussing and debating with each other, and it is going to be called an open session for all the WTO members. So all of you are welcome. It is at 5 o'clock. The Zoom link is already with you. Please come.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gauri.
Mrs. Swaran Kohli,
Yeah.
Mrs. Swaran Kohli, would you like to say something else?
Here.
No,
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
said
We are having our wonderful principal Rajeshri from Manik Bay Nanavati College principal, who has been always supporting us in having twinning program. Unfortunately, she is COVID positive, not well, but still she's supporting me and she's here today. Ma'am, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I'm sorry I'm not able to start my camera on because of
No
the
problem. We
network
can hear you. We
connection.
can hear you. We can hear you. Please,
Yes,
everybody,
sir.
be unmute, please.
Yeah. Gauri ma'am, big congratulations to you and Women Graduates
Thank you.
Union.
Thank you.
Hi, Purabhi. And it's so nice to see you again after a long gap.
Hi.
And I'm very happy that WGU is actually very active in the true sense, even during the lockdown period. And I wish all my good luck to WGU and have a wonderful time ahead to all the lovely ladies over there. Thank you.
Who else is here around?
Can I say a few words?
Yeah, please.
Thank
Everybody
you.
is welcome.
And this newsletter was a wonderful start. I hope we'll have more such things. And tomorrow again, Purabhi madam is giving another thing where we can all air our experiences on lockdown. I wish all the best for WTO and congrats to Gauri and all the others working. Thank you.
What about you? You want to say something? Merlin? Unmuted. Advocate Merlin, would you like to say something? Please unmute.
Yes. And hello, good evening, everybody. It is nice to see everybody here, and it's a wonderful program of the inauguration of the newsletter, and we look forward to such more motivating things during the lockdown. This is a real motivator, and I wish everybody all the best.
Thank you. Sheila Shastri, please give us some advice, some inspiration of yours. Sheila, please unmute. Unmute, Sheila. Khorshid, why don't you say something, Khorshid Nayak? Unmute, please.
And we hope we come out with more magazines. A round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sheila. Thank you so much. If anybody wants to say something, Shireen, would you like to say? Shireen Bhavnani, would you like to say something?
No, interest.
So,
Start. And
yeah, Shireen.
Awesome start this newsletter. Let's hope we all continue to do good work. Let's hope we can all work together and try and get WG to the position it was first started. Good luck.
Thank you. Anybody else, or should we have the vote of thanks? Anybody wants to say something else? Anybody, please come out if anybody wants to say. Please be free.
Congratulations, Gauri. God bless you. All best. Stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Gauri. Congratulations.
Yes, Manjula. How are you? Where are you?
I am here only. I have
But I
attended
can't. Yeah, camera. I cannot see you.
Yeah.
Thank
Very
you. So
nice.
nice of you.
You have made a very nice step. Yeah, very good.
Very good.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you all. With all your love and support and cooperation, it is possible. And I request all of you all, as we are going to have the annual general meeting, and we are also going to have our new appointment of committees. Please, all of you all, come ahead and join once again, because we need each of you all. Each of you all are very important for WGU. It is only if the teamwork is there we can do well. So many of you all are backing out. It is so disappointing. I once again request all of you all, come forward, all of you all, and together let's again see that the WGU is as glorious and more glorious it will be. Look at the stalwarts here who have worked for years. See Mrs. Swaran Kohli, see Sudha ma'am, see Saroj ma'am, Suman ma'am, all these very seniors who have been working. So we have to be here together, and I want more youngsters also. Please get all of you all. So I thank you all of you all for coming here, but the official thanks will be by our Merlin Montero, who is, her mother was a great friend of ours and WGU regular member, and now I have requested Merlin to this time join the managing committee, and so she's come here and she's going to propose a hearty vote of thanks to all of you. Over to you, Merlin.
Yes. Thank you, Gauri. It is my pleasure to give the vote of thanks to this wonderful section, the inauguration of the newsletter, and a great start for the year 2021. It's a grateful thanks to the chief guest, Mrs. Swaran Kohli, for inaugurating the newsletter and for her auspicious presence throughout the meeting. And our guest honor is whom I think
she's
would
not
been able to make it. And
she's in Dubai, so she's not.
And it was very lovely for Miss Amrita and Archana Jaisingh. And today I think we had Archana Jaisingh who had recited the poem.
Yeah, advocate. She's the advocate from DRT.
Yes. And she has done it wonderfully well. The concept is very good, and it's good that youngsters like her are getting motivated and motivating others to keep up the good work and come out with much more, many more such poems and books also. We also thank all the members of the WGU, the well-wishers, friends, principal ma'am, Rajshri ma'am who was here, the students of Manikbel Nanavati College, and to the staff of WGU, the graphic designer whom I think is Mr. Prashant, without which we would not have such a nice session going on here online. And just that this good work should continue in when we have such a good president in Advocate Gauri Chabria. We are sure going to see such many more wonderful events throughout the year. I would also like to thank all the members who have spoken, taken out their time to speak 2 minutes. Habovi Gandhi ma'am, Sudha ma'am, Principal Rajeshri ma'am, Purvi Ghosh ma'am, and the others whom I could not gather their names here, Manjula ma'am, and Rani Mirchandani ma'am also spoke. So it is wonderful to have you all speak and participate actively here. It has been very wonderful. And I also thank everybody for being online and throughout this session. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Thank you, Gauriji. I'll take a leave.
1 minute, Mirchandani. I want to take one photograph of everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Gauriji. I have another meeting now at 3:30.
Sure. Thank you for coming. Thank you. We are honored.
Welcome.
you.
Thanks for inviting. Nice
Thank you
meeting
very
you all.
much.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Thanks.
Bye.
Hi, everybody. I'm
Hello.
Thanks.
কি ব্যবহার করছি?
Thank you,
Bye,
everybody.
everybody.
Thank you
very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Sudha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Manjula,
See you
thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank
Bye.
I'm
you.
really thankful to Merlin for giving the vote of thanks. Merlin, very well you have given. Thank you, Merlin. So bye, everybody.
Bye.
Be safe, be healthy,
Bye.
and
Bye.
we will meet tomorrow for Purobi's program and make it more success. Purobi, wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Gauri.
Thank you.
Look forward
Thank
to
you.
seeing you all.
See you.
Kastub, we can end, Kastub. Thank you.